Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are all about taking something ordinary and turning it into something extraordinary. We are diving into the world of wooden trays, but not just any trays. We are talking upcycled beauties. Whether you have a thrift store find or a forgotten tray in the back of the closet, get ready to unleash your creativity because we are giving you 6 amazing wooden tray ideas that will take just minutes to transform. Idea 1. Breakfast in bed tray. Let's start with a classic, the breakfast in bed tray. This is perfect for spoiling that special someone or treating yourself to a relaxing weekend morning. Here's what you'll need: wooden tray, paint, stencil, decorative handles, felt pads. Step 1. Prep the tray. If your tray needs a refresh, give it a light sandy and a fresh coat of paint in a fun color, or keep it natural for a rustic charm. Step 2. Add a touch of whimsy. Want to personalize it? Use stencils with cute messages or patterns. Step 3. Upgrade the handles. For a more comfortable grip, consider adding decorative handles. Step 4. Protect your furniture. Stick felt pads to the bottom of the tray to prevent scratches. Idea 2. Ottoman tray. Next up, we are transforming a tray into a stylish ottoman tray. This is perfect for keeping your living room organized and adding a touch of elegance. Here's what you'll need: wooden tray, decorative pebbles or marbles, candles or small plants, coasters. Step 1. Fill it up. One option is to create a decorative base. Use pebbles or marbles to create a textured, chic look. Step 2. Light it up. Add some ambiance with candles or small potted plants. Stick with unscented candles for safety. Step 3. Coasters for the wing. Scatter a few coasters around the tray to protect the surface from drink reeds. Idea 3. Vanity tray. Now let's create a luxurious vanity tray for all your beauty essentials. This is a fantastic way to keep your bathroom countertop organized and looking fabulous. You'll need a wooden tray, decorative mirror, jewelry boxes or dishes, perfume bottles, decorative trinkets. Step 1. Attach a small decorative mirror to one side of the tray. Step 2. Utilize jewelry boxes, dishes, or even small mason jars to hold your makeup brushes and cotton swabs. Step 3. Include your favorite perfume bottles and few decorative trinkets for a touch of personality. Idea 4. Serving tray. Time to elevate your entertaining game. Let's create a stunning serving tray for drinks or desserts. Here's what you'll need: a wooden tray, parchment paper, decorative paper, serving bowls or plates. Step 1. Dress it up. For a simple yet elegant touch, line the tray with parchment paper. If you're feeling extra creative, use decorative paper for a pop of color. Step 2. Bowl it over. Arrange your serving bowls or plates on the tray. Remember to consider weight distribution for a balanced look. Idea 5. Coffee table tray. Looking for a way to keep your coffee table clutter-free and stylish? Let's build a functional and beautiful coffee table tray. Here's what you'll need: a wooden tray, decorative box, coasters, remote control holders, small succulents or a decorative plant. Step 1. Contain decors. Utilize a decorative box to corral coasters, remote controls, or any small items that tend to clutter your coffee table. Step 2. Keep a few coasters easily accessible for impromptu coffee dates or movie nights. Step 3. For ultimate organization, consider adding a small remote control holder to the tray. Step 4. Add a pop of life with small succulent or another low-maintenance plant. Idea 6. Let's get creative and transform a wooden tray into a unique wall-mounted key holder. This is a perfect solution for keeping your entryway organized and adding a touch of rustic charm. You'll need a wooden tray, picture hanging hardware, hooks, and paint. Give your tray a fresh coat of paint to match your decor. Attach picture hanging hardware to the back of the tray. Screw hooks into the tray at designated spot for hanging keys. So there you have it, 6 amazing wooden tray ideas to elevate your home decor. Thanks for joining me today, and see you next time.